Hello guys, so just another video today where we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Mastercraft Hacksaw blades. These are the full length 12-inch ones, 24 TPI. So I'm just going to quickly unbox this and then bonus unboxing later with that. So there is a plastic kind of restricting brome, which I'm just going to pop off. And then I'm going to go grab that piece before it stubs the toe. Back here, and then we're going to continue. So up here, there's another one of these things. Probably going to take that off too. And of course, I have to fly so far away again. We're going to take these blades out. We're going to inspect them. These are top quality Mastercraft blades. They look good, they feel good, they bend well. So these are 24 TPI. I'm actually going to keep this piece of packaging just in case I need to warranty it. And I will print sheaths for this. So let's actually test this out with my mini hacksaw. If you haven't watched my review already of the Swiss Tech mini saw or mini hacksaw, then please go watch that video, as that will give you much needed context. Now here I'm just going to quickly get a hex bit just to demonstrate how you can swap the blade on this one, and how to do that. So take it out, and then you're just gonna pull her out there, a little bit aggressive. So that's a 10-inch blade, or 250 mils. And then we're gonna take a full-length blade like this, just as an example, to put it in correctly, the handle like that. And then the back nut might fall off, so then we're going to have to replace that. Just take a look for today's purposes. Actually, we're actually going to install one of these new longer blades, and then to see, and then that, I guess the black one can be a backup emergency for when I'm in a pinch. But most of the time I'll just be using this longer one, I guess. And towards the end, I'm going to hand tighten, as I know this is going to be rough for the tool. So now that's very nice, and let's see, is there anything we can test to cut that I don't need? Let's say this piece, which I might use that. Let's see, what else do I have that I don't need that I can cut for today's purposes? Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do one of these test pieces in ABS. So that made a very good cut through that, so that confirmed that it works. I'm going to check the blade, and there's nothing stuck in the blade, which is good. So that's good, that's great. I'm just going to go put these away carefully. I will eventually get around to printing sheaths for these blades. Now this one has to be like that. This one I'm going to put here, and then I'm going to print another sheath that partially goes on the back end. For example, I do have sheaths when it's on the tool, but I will have another half that goes on the other half. So now we're going to move on to the next thing that we're going to unbox today, and this is a Woods razor folding saw. This is for some garden work outside, in which we need to cut down huge branches that are quite low. So stuff we would rather, stuff we would rather do ourselves and wouldn't want to pay someone to do for us. Yeah, I'm just gonna rip that in two pieces. Okay, I'm gonna take the knife. This is a very big saw. Sorry, saw, I said. Press the lever. Wow, it's a really big saw. The lock is very stiff. That is a very, very sharp saw. So that's definitely gonna cut through the wood very, very well. Very, very sharp. So we're just going to sheath that carefully. So thanks for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one.